Well, good morning. It's a Sunday and we've got no storm. The last 2 Sundays we've had storm beginning with the sea, and then we've had storm Dara last Sunday. So I've been planning a Sunday job. So today it's a bit overcast, a bit drizzly, but I'm going to do the task that I've been planning for the last 3 or 4 weeks. And it's a horrible task. I've been putting it off. It's one of these ones in winter that I really need to do. So I've been having a lot of shed envy for more people having brand new sheds and building sheds and converting them. So I thought it was about time that I found my shed. So this is my shed. So we want to find it. It's a bit of a mess. So I'm going to start off a bonfire so we can clear off some of this brambles. And let me show you what we're going to do. So this is, well, it's kind of my shed. It's the shed at the end of my plot being here. And it's kind of, every allotment plot has a shed, but this one is rather covered in brambles. This is the compost bays we made when we first moved in here, and the brambles have just gone super crazy. We've got a little shelter in here that we use for a little wood store, but I want to get in the shed. I want to be able to use the shed. So I need to see if it's any good. So, lots to do. Start off the fire so we can burn some of these brambles, just get rid of them as we go. So, let's get the fire going. So we've been collecting up some Amazon boxes so we can use them for our fire. Just put some paper at the bottom and then some wood on top. So let's have a go. Let's clear this allotment plot up. Well, so we've had a good couple of hours having a tidy. We've actually found the shed. I've been tidying up some of the compost bins. I found a wheelbarrow. So the compost bins are buried in all these weeds. So maybe another nice day we can come down and do the rest. Looking. Whoa, these water butts are just full of water. So I'm not going to move them today. But we made a big progress. We can actually see the shed. And we've got a little bit on the side here. We can actually get inside now. We can see what's inside. So we've got some pallets. We've got a roof for the shed. We've got some more wood. And then some plastic strips. Not quite sure what these are. And some netting. And some bags in the corner. So let's have a look in the main shed. This has not been opened for many years and still won't open. Whoa, there we go. Well, we've had rats. The shed's holding up. Doesn't look too bad. There's netting, there's some sheets, there's some cardboard boxes, some boars, and there's 2 lawnmowers and some more sheets. So my shed envy, am I going to convert this? Roof looks alright. This was rebuilt a few years ago. It looks okay. Side panels there, letting a bit of light in. So we've got some more stuff for the fire. So we found some interesting items in the brambles, like this old bench, but I'm sure it's not going to be a bench anymore as the leg has broken, which is a shame. Could have been a good restoration job. Also found a wheelbarrow with a flat tyre, and also some other junk, some stones. So we can gather these bricks up, be able to use them. We've got a bag, looks like a bag of metal. So next job is to come and clear some more of this. Maybe next weekend if the weather's nice. But it's been a nice morning. Got the barbecue going. We've got the bonfire going. It's cleared away a lot of the stuff. Good progress. Just little jobs now and again will do the job. So it's a great time to come down the allotment during the winter, get all these little winter projects done. And it's great to be able to have a barbecue. But you do have to check on to have a bonfire. You do have to check, because some councils only allow you a bonfire on certain days, certain times of the month, even certain times of the day, even in the evenings, or it depends whether you're in the countryside or whether you're in an urban town. You have to check when you're allowed a bonfire. But it's certainly cleaned up some stuff, but we've got a lot more to clean out. So thanks for watching. What do you reckon? Continue with the shed progress? What do you reckon? Leave a comment below. Tell me, should I continue or what?